We're getting our measurements here. These red iron beams are going to go in. Cut. Taking our dirt system. Putting our plates on. Connecting our plates. All bolts together. That's good. This is day one. Day one of putting up this structure. From the time we offloaded to the time putting up our first beam. So not too bad for the first day. All load bearing. Buildings typically have a 50-year warranty. Looking good. That's going to be the top of the roof. Good. Client sitting up there chilling with a beer in his hand, relaxing, just like he should be. We can get our work done.